This is the Ultima Sliding Shower Chair, a fantastic addition to the CareCo range of bath lifts and bathroom aids. The Ultima offers an improvement on the design of traditional bath and shower transfer aids, with a sliding seat that removes the need for shuffling along a bench. Instead, the carer can use the handle to effortlessly push the user along the bench and into the tub or shower, making the transfer process easier for both user and caregiver. The Ultima Sliding Shower Chair is a thoughtfully designed bathroom mobility accessory. The legs are angled, reversible and height adjustable, meaning this transfer bench is customizable to suit any patient or bathroom setup. Each leg is fitted with an anti-slip suction cup to safely secure the transfer bench to the surface of the bath or shower. The soap dish keeps all your bathing products close by, without the risk of them dropping to the bottom of the tub. The back of the seat is contoured for greater comfort whilst bathing. The Ultima uses a locking mechanism to prevent accidental folding when in use. When not in use, simply fold the frame up and slide it into an out-of-the-way storage area. The Ultima Sliding Shower Chair. To find out about this or more of our range of bathroom aids at CareCo, have a look at careco.co.uk, pop into a store or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.